Social media marketing can feel like shouting into the void until chatbots arrive. Imagine chatbots as tireless, cheerful digital gnomes living inside your social media pages. They never sleep, always ready to help your customers find what they need instantly. Instead of customers waiting days for a reply, they get a friendly greeting and real help anytime. These gnomes transform your social media from a static billboard into an interactive playground. Chatbots are the superheroes of instant gratification, making customers feel seen and heard. Think of this as your guide to the enchanted forest of social media marketing, and meet its most industrious inhabitants. We'll reveal what chatbots are, how they work, and how you can unleash an army of them for your brand. By the end, you'll be ready to delight your customers and leave your competitors wondering what magic you've discovered. Get ready, your social media is about to get a whole lot more magical. Not all digital gnomes are created equal. There are two main types: rule-based chatbots and AI-driven chatbots. Rule-based bots are like garden gnomes, great at following instructions but limited to a script. They handle FAQs, order tracking, and simple tasks with predictable efficiency. But ask them something unexpected and they're stumped. AI-driven chatbots, on the other hand, are the wizards. They use artificial intelligence to understand natural language, learn from conversations, and personalize recommendations. You can type, "I need a gift for my mom who loves gardening," and the AI bot gets it. The difference? Flexibility and adaptability. Rule-based bots are reliable assistants. AI bots are true conversational partners. Both have their place, but knowing which to use is key to your brand's success. Choose your gnome wisely. Early chatbots were clunky, like talking to a brick wall. Thanks to advances in AI and natural language processing, today's bots are savvy conversationalists. Modern chatbots understand context, remember conversations, and even detect customer emotions. They can respond empathetically. "Oh no, your order is late? Let me check that for you." Some even have a sense of humor, making interactions memorable and fun. The chatbot glow up has turned them from a last resort into your brand's frontline ambassador. Now, it's not just about answers, it's about creating a pleasant, human-like experience. Chatbots have truly grown up. Why hire a digital gnome for your brand? Because your customers expect instant 24/7 service. Chatbots never sleep, so you never miss a lead or leave a customer hanging. In the age of instant gratification, speed matters. Bots respond in seconds, not hours. They eliminate wait times and make every customer feel like a VIP. Brands like Sephora use chatbots for interactive, personalized experiences. Booking makeovers, trying on products, all within social apps. Chatbots can act as personal shoppers, recommending products based on preferences and style. They ask the right questions and deliver curated options in minutes. This level of personalization builds loyalty and boosts sales. With chatbots, your social media becomes a dynamic, customer-focused experience. It's like having a personal stylist for every follower. Ready to build your own chatbot army? Here's how. First, define your objectives. What do you want your chatbot to do? Design a simple, intuitive conversation flow that guides users effortlessly. Give your bot a personality that matches your brand, fun, formal, or anything in between. Use clear options and engaging language to keep users interested. Build your bot using user-friendly platforms, no coding required. Test relentlessly. Have friends try to break it and refine based on feedback. Always include an escape hatch to a human agent for tricky questions. Consistency is key. Your chatbot should feel like a true member of your team. Once it's ready, launch it on your social media and watch it delight customers. Your digital gnome is now on duty. Your chatbot is live, but is it working? Track key metrics, interaction rate, are people engaging, and goal completion rate, is it doing its job? If users drop off, check your conversation flow for dead ends. Avoid the dreaded "I don't understand" loop. Always offer a way to reach a human. Be transparent. Let users know they're chatting with a bot to set expectations. Don't make your bot too human. Keep it friendly but clear about its role. Treat analytics like a puzzle. Fix what's broken, celebrate what works. Embrace challenges with humor and flexibility. With the right tweaks, your chatbot will become a true digital genius. Measure, refine, and watch your gnome get smarter. Success is all about continuous improvement. The future of chatbots is brighter than ever. AI is evolving fast. Soon, bots will be even more intuitive and emotionally intelligent. Chatbots will power seamless omni-channel marketing, remembering conversations across platforms. They'll create unified, effortless customer journeys. Brands will use chatbots for storytelling, games, and exclusive content. Imagine chatting with a movie character or getting backstage access from your favorite band's bot. Chatbots are becoming a new medium for engagement and entertainment. They're not a trend, they're a fundamental shift in brand-customer relationships. Embrace the revolution, start small, define your goals, and build a chatbot that reflects your brand. The future is chatty. Join the conversation.